Welcome to the channel. This is how to be a signal provider on Poo Prime.
Alright, so you want to be a signal provider for Poo Prime. That's great, and hopefully you can provide a lot of good insight signals that you're getting from the market and help other traders and potentially copy traders. But how to do that? We're going to get into it, but before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So, a condition to be a signal provider is, in Poo Prime, you got to be more flexible. You got to support MT4 and MT5. Those are the traders, and it also supports up to 500x leverage. So what are the steps to doing it? First, I would go on your phone, whether it be your Android or your iPhone, and I would go to the Play Store and just install the app Poo Prime. So just like it says right here, go find that, and there's a video on that where I look through the app, look through its features, all that type of stuff. But this is your gateway to accessing the copy trading functionality feature. Then, without saying this isn't a direct step, but understanding the market, where signals are coming from, what signals are, where to find the best signals so you can provide them will be a good step. Then you want to sign up and verify your account. And you'll need a trading account to do this. So you can click the sign up right here. And then within the app, you'll typically find a specific option to open or access the copy trading. Then you just create and share your trading strategies. So once you have a copy trading account, you can just start executing your trades, and then you can become a signal provider. You'll need to set up your trades as public in the copy trading session. This allows other copies, people who want to see what you're doing, to see how you're trading. So that's how you would become a signal provider in a nutshell, is to become a copy trader and then just provide people with the copies that you're doing. Then you can build a reputation. How do you do that? You have consistent performance. You demonstrate reliable trading strategies. You promote your profile with social media, Facebook, Twitter, all those type of things. Instagram, you engage your copiers, you respond to questions, you make sure that you're building trust with people, you make sure that you're giving them good information, you share your trading rationale and insights. It's not so important to know how necessarily you got a 10x or 20x on a certain thing, a Forex, a stock, an indice. What's important is to show people how you came to that conclusion, much like a math problem. Then you earn a profit share. And the copy trading platform allows you to operate on a profit sharing model. You follow trades, you generate profits, and you can earn a percentage of those profits. Poo Prime mentions a flexible profit sharing model with a short settlement, and they offer high water mark plus floating orders method, and you can manage your account through profit sharing as well. You can adjust your profit sharing ratio, and you can also provide signals. Now, some of the best things you get with signal is you get multiple streams of income, so you can get a profit share on top of your own trading profits. You can build a reputation yourself as a successful trader who understands the market and can rationalize his or her decisions. And you establish yourself as a well-known authority as well. Then you'll increase your earning potential. That'll come with that. And Poo Prime may feature successful signal providers as well. Then finally, performance is key. You have the ability to attract and retain copiers. Directly depends on your profitability, your consistency. Are you consistently hitting? Are you having ups and downs? Are you having a lot of downs? Where are you in the market? You have transparency, where you communicate your trading style, risk management, and then you familiarize yourself with the tools, functionalities available with Poo Prime, and finally, ensure your activities as a signal provider. So, simply put, in summary, to become a signal provider, you want to get the app, you want to become a copy trader, a dedicated copy trader, you want to get that feature with a mobile app, you want to share your successful trades, attract followers, show people you know what you're doing, provide value, earn a profit share, and just build a good reputation on the Poo Prime trading community. So that is it. That is the simple and easy way to do it. So first, what I would do, install this. I would sign up as well, and then you can see all the information here. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, you can go to learn, and you can start to learn right here. And it's a good idea to learn before you're going to teach anyone. You can also look through the information on the company right here, and then you can start trading. As we can see, we have the PU copy trading right here. So that is how you can become the absolute beast of a signal provider, a copy trader. We can see the copy trading, the strategy and function replicates the trades of enhanced and successful traders. Now, these are people who are signal providers, multiple streams of income, flexible profit sharing, reputation and growth. And the copiers can also get advantages because they're just copying the signals, they're copying the trades, and they're doing well. So I recommend also downloading the copy trading user guide so you can understand more. You can see the copier benefits and the signal provider, frequent profit settlements, fair payouts, flexible profit sharing, boosted visibility, and the leaderboards. So this is the time to jump into it. And they also have the FAQs here if you have any questions for what you need for copy trading and all that type of stuff. So that's how you can become a signal provider. That's the benefits of it, and also how you can become a copy trader. I hope this information was helpful to you. If it was, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.